Daydreaming with DJ, quarantine edition. And I have some news. As you saw, I got tested yesterday, and my test result is positive, so doesn't really change anything. I basically already knew that I had the Rona. So you may be wondering why I'm wearing this hood, and my first answer would be, I'm sick, don't judge me. What? Who are you? And my second answer would be, because my hair is really greasy and gross right now. I haven't washed it in several days. And you may be thinking, why would you do that to yourself? You have a shower, you have shampoo, just wash your hair. And I'm going to tell you that the answer lies in one of these boxes. I don't know which one, but we're gonna open all of them. Box number 1, scissors. Here lies the answer. Hair bleach. I'm going to bleach my hair and dye it a special color that will be in the next box. I've never used Manic Panic Amplified Flash Lightening Super Strength Hair Lightening Kit before, but I have used other bleaching kits, and let me tell you this, just so much better to get real bleach instead of a kit. But I don't know where my little hairbrush thing is, and so I decided that I would just get this because it includes the brush in it. Really important thing to know about bleaching your own hair is that I would never bleach all the way to my roots on my own without a professional there. That is how I have kept extremely healthy hair, bleaching it multiple times. First of all, I watch it very closely when the bleach is on it, so I know I don't get it too light. Once it's at where I want, I rinse it out. I don't let it go farther, because that's how you really damage your hair. Second of all, I always color afterwards, and the color I use is super moisturizing, so just taking care of your hair in general, because bleach just, it's not good. I haven't had any problems personally, but I think that's because I took the right precautions. So learn from my successes. That's a new thing. Normally I tell you to learn from my failures, but now learn from my successes. Bleach your hair at home, but bleach it very carefully, okay? I really like how reflective this box is. I think it's very fun. Look, there's my water bottle. On to box number 2. This is so exciting. This is Arctic Fox Phantom Green. The only colors that I've ever used on my hair was Arctic Fox, and I've also used Overtone, but that's more for upkeep. But I really like Arctic Fox a lot. It smells like grapes, which is lovely. Green. I'm very excited for green. Box number 3. I don't even know what is in this. I don't remember what else I ordered. It is from my parents. I mean, I assume it's from my parents because they told me there's a package coming, and I did not order this. It's a puppy! Oh my goodness. It looks just like my puppy. I have a Bichon Frise at home. His name is Jean-Pierre. We call him JP, and he is very sweet. This is really soft. Thank you, parents. So today I'm feeling fine. My throat is obviously bad. You can probably hear it in my voice. My nose is starting to be kind of runny, but I can still smell things. I can still taste things, and I really don't have the fatigue yet, which is weird because with my chronic illnesses, fatigue is my primary symptom next to stomach problems and food intolerances, but I really don't feel fatigue. I actually feel really energized, but that's probably biased because I love doing creative things, and that's what energizes me, and doing these creative things is like making me really happy. So thank you. So please enjoy this video of me bleaching my hair, and tomorrow I will color it green, so you are gonna have to wait for that, but you will want to wait for it because it's gonna be magnificent. And if it's not, I'll just cut it all off because I have a razor. I could do it. I really could. So we'll see how it goes. Hello everyone, and welcome to my bathroom. Welcome to my greasy bangs. So normally when you bleach, you want to do a test strand where you just like take a piece, bleach it, watch it very closely, and like time out how long you want it to stay on your hair. But I'm not gonna do that because I'm really tired and I really want this to be done with quickly. It doesn't look good, like, that's okay. Like I said, I can just cut it off. The first thing you want to do is you want to section your hair, just like when you're curling it or straightening it. I always go from the bottom to the top. So with bleach, you have a bleach powder and a volume cream developer. I'm using the 40 volume. I think Manic also makes a 30, but the 40 lightens it a bit more. Since my hair is relatively dark, I thought I'd go with that. Gloves are vitally important for this. Please wear gloves. That's it. Please wear gloves. Protect your skin, your beautiful skin. And even if you have ugly skin, you still want to protect it. Little tub. I will be throwing away this tub after I'm done. Okay, we got our powder in our tub, and next is to add this developer. So easy, you just mix these two things together. Not coming out. I'm just stirring it. I'm holding it away from my face just in case some of the powder flies up or some of it flings around, because this is nasty stuff. covered. You can see a lot of it has already turned blonde. I started this about 45 minutes ago. So I don't want the bottom to get too blonde because it could damage it. So I'm gonna check it probably after 10 minutes, and hopefully it'll be nice and evenly blonde all the way through. So I'm just wiping off my neck because I noticed that I got a lot of it on my neck, and that's not ideal. It's fine, I just don't want to leave it there for too long. And I'm gonna do some cleaning. Oh, so put this on, and then I'm gonna clean. I'm gonna clean, maybe do some homework, admire how hot I look in this, and then I'll be back. I'm back, and it's been about 10 minutes, 12 minutes, and it is generating a lot of heat. So even though I think it's where I want it, but I'm not sure, I'm still gonna take it off because that's a lot of heat and I want to keep my hair safe. So I'm gonna wash it, take a shower, and then I'll show you when it's done. My hair is now blonde. I think it turned out pretty dang good. There's a little bit of unevenness on the left side. You can't really tell. See, like right there, there's like a line. The right side looks pretty good. You can't really tell just because it's too bright on that side. But the front looks beautiful. The back, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. Let me know if you saw that. I couldn't tell what you were seeing because I can't see the back of my head. And that's why the back of my head is uneven and not very bleached. So I'm anticipating that my green color, tune in tomorrow to see that, but my green color is going to cover up most of my mistakes, or at least blend them out, because this is a really dark and vibrant green dye, so I think it'll cover up almost anything, which is good. I didn't tone it or anything because I don't have anything to tone it with, so that's why it looks really brassy. But again, I'm counting on this to cover everything up. So basically what I wanted out of this was to make my hair light enough that the green would show vibrantly and make it so that the green is going to be more dimensional, because it's going to be darker at the top and lighter at the ends for sure. And I didn't want to bleach my scalp, so win, 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 win. Everything's a win. My hair looks great. I mean, actually it looks really bad, but I don't like being blonde. But that's good because I'm not going to be blonde once I put this in. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions about bleaching your hair or dyeing your hair, coloring it, then say something in the comments. If you want to see my video tomorrow where it turns green, you can subscribe and click the little bell so you get a notification when I post that video. And thank you for watching.